Hello everyone, my name is Ajmeruddin and welcome to my channel Analyze with Ajmeruddin. I am here with a new video regarding CAG audit report for the year ended March 2019 related to direct taxes, and this particular video is about the harassment to the 82% of individual taxpayers due to difference in the TDS amount as per 26AS and as per the return filed by them. In the highlights column, this is the CAG report, and in the highlights page number 5 they have mentioned these are the highlights, and in page number 5 they have mentioned that what kind of TDS mismatch is there. So during as I read it, during last 3 years more than 82% of individual taxpayer face the TDS mismatch problem due to the difference in the amount available in the form 26As and that claimed by the SSE through their income tax return, majority of being salaried taxpayers. So they have been very clear that 82% of the people have been claiming certain amount but have been given certain amount or may not be given certain amount due to mismatch in the TDS return. The possible reason for mismatch of TDS amount may be the deductor did not deposit the TDS or file the quarterly TDS return on time, or enter the incorrect amount in TDS return, or quoted incorrect PAN. The deductors stand wrongly entered in ITR. So one of the mistake which deductee might have done is quoting the incorrect tag, but four other mistakes which deductee could have been done, that non-filing, non-depositing, non-filing of return, or incorrect PAN, or maybe the incorrect quoting of the PAN. And then he says, the report says, as a result, income tax department did not allow credit of TDS, which resulted either raising of demand or not really releasing funds, causing harassment to the SSE. So they have been very clear with this statement that it is resulting in the harassment to the SSE, definitely, because the SSE filed the return on the basis of form 16 or 16A and may not be checking 26AS, that whether it is reflecting in 26AS or not. And let us go through the details in page number 28 of the report. And page number 28 clearly states on the paragraph number 2.8.1 and TDS mismatch cases. So first they have very nicely written what is exactly TDS and what could be the possible type of error before going to the details in the audit report. So it reads as TDS has twin purpose, namely collection of tax in advance before the end of the financial year and creation of a footprint of the transaction so that the income associated with that transaction in the hands of recipient does not go untraced or unreported. So they have been very clear. This is the beauty of the CAG reports, that they first of all introduce the thing very nicely, and as I summarized in the previous video as well related to short credit to the states, they have been mentioning all the sections which are relevant to that particular case or the issue which they are highlighting in the CAG report. There are three elements to it: the party making the payment, the party receiving the payment, that is deductee, and the income tax department for sure. An SSE may file his return of income as per the details available to him in the form 16 or 16A and 26AS. However, the tax is credited by the income tax department according to the details available in its tax information network. So whenever the TDS deduction claimed by the SSE does not match with that information in TIN, it is in case of mismatch of TDS, and due to such mismatch, TDS credit is denied by the income tax department to the taxpayer despite of the receipt of the revenue to the income tax department, or the presence of such deduction in form number 16 or 16A issued by deductor in support of the claim. This result in disallowance of the refund and also in creation of infraction demands for tax, resulting in avoidable harassment to the taxpayer. Plus, I want to add one more point here, that it also results in quoting of wrong revenue or wrong presentation of the tax collected in nutshell by the income tax department. That the point should have been added here as well, because if I say that as the revenue which is collected by income tax department is, for example, 100 crores, and the claimed by the SSC is 90 crores. So and claimed as per the records of the SSC is 90 crores. We are talking, if we talk about the salary, so net collection is 10 crore. But if the information, if they deny certain amount of from the tax which is claimed by the SSC, we are reporting a wrong figure as well. So in the given table, the TDS mismatch cases from the financial year 2016-17 to financial year 2018-19, that is 3 financial years. Let us talk about the total figures. So number of PAN where TDS mismatch reported by ITR are 17 lakh 1978, and where the TDS was claimed was 31,794 crores, but TDS amount available as per 26 years was 27,899, which is less than what has been uh, claimed by the SSC and which is available. So claimed by the SSC was more and available as per 26 years was less. That's why the TDS, the income tax department, denied the TDS refund to them and put all together all the cases into the mismatch case and notices to the SSC. It can be seen from the above table that the majority of SSC who face the TDS mismatch issue are individual taxpayer, majorly being salaried individuals, and P here, P here stands for individuals, others like company, associates, etc. And the majority of cases, if I'm not wrong, is on 2017-18 financial year, where it is 11 lakhs. Then it comes to 2016-17, that is 2 lakhs, and in 2018-19 it is quite a less, which is 2318. I hope that in 1920 as well this could be reduced, but I doubt this statement, because the deadline was increased for filing of TDS return, and maybe some of the salaried person have filed their TDS much before that, and there could be a possibility of mismatch. And then they comes to what are the nature of mismatch, and they have given a complete detail on the same, and this resulted in the harassment to the SSC, and which has been highlighted by the CAG. Thank you very much.